Hey guys, welcome to this week's Fire Friday. Woo! I am excited for today's topic. We are going to be talking about it's not business, it's personal. Now you might have heard the old saying that gets tossed around a lot. It's not personal, it's just business. I think that is total and complete crap. I know from experience that, and not only just my experience, but those around me too, that when you're a business owner, the decisions that your business makes and in the way that it operates is all very true to how you are as a person. Like, I understand that the way Wonder Tree is run right now, the more employees we get, it'll obviously take on their personalities as well. But it's very much so shaped by the personalities of myself and of Matt as well. But also, it is my brainchild. It is what I'm excited about. It's what I love doing in life. So I take business very personally because I give a huge part of myself to it. Outside of my wife and God, I really don't have much else that goes above my business. In fact, nothing else does. So it's in the top 3 of my priorities in my life. So you better believe that it's freaking important to me and it's very personal. So you hear often that it's not personal, it's just business. Customers, clients say it to you all the time, like, oh, don't feel bad, I made this decision, but you still take it personal, and that's okay. I'm not really making this video to tell you how to, handle it or whatever, as much as I'm just saying, I want to give you validation and make you understand that, it is okay to take if a customer leaves you personally. It is okay to, feel really upset if you get a bad review. It's great, it's okay to be super excited when you get a good review, or when customers are praising you, or when you're making a lot of sales. That's okay. It's okay to have some personal emotions. This idea that business is just some emotionless, thing floating out there is ridiculous. I'm not sure really when this idea started. It's older than I am. It's got to be older than 30 years old. So it's been around for a while, a long while, and it's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. It just blows my mind that people believe that. It is so personal. Business is so personal, especially when you're a startup. Giving your time to a business, and when you're working long hours, when you're sacrificing not going to your kids' basketball games or not being there for an event for your wife because you're at the office trying to grind. That is a personal decision you've had to make. And when somebody comes to you and says, oh no, it's not personal, it's business, don't let that take away from the fact that no, this business that you run is so intertwined. It should be so intertwined. I'm making this video because if you were one of those people that believes that business should be emotionless, you're ridiculous and you're wrong. I'm just gonna come straight out and say it. You need to get in the trenches and understand that the business that you were trying to run has some of your personality in it. If it's just you in the business, it's pretty much all formed of your personality. If you have other employees, it's gonna it's gonna begin to build company culture. This big buzzword right now is company culture. Really, that's just an overglorified way of saying a bunch of personalities coming together as one. What is that culture that's being formed? Now, you want to be able to control to some extent that type of culture so that you can scale it and other people want to be around. But a company culture is formed by everyone that is in your organization. And when you're a small 1-person, 2-person business, it is very much so formed by who you are as a person. When you've got 500 employees, it is a little bit more mathematical, if you would, if you want to think of it like that. It is a little bit less emotion and more just straight decision making and facts. But even then, I would like to think that one day, hopefully, when we're a big company, we've got 500-600 employees, that would be amazing. I believe that I'm still gonna take decisions personally because it means too much to me. I'm in this game for the long haul. I care too much about my employees, about the people that we serve, and then I care too much about the mission and what I'm trying to accomplish here and what we're trying to accomplish as an organization. for me to just lie down and let everything I do be an emotionless decision. It's ridiculous. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're in the camp that believes that it is just business and it's not personal, you're ridiculous. Change your mind. If you're in the camp that takes it as personal and you think it's business is personal, then welcome to the club. When you hear all these other people on the other camp say that, it is okay to feel attacked when, now I will say, you've got to kind of play the line a little bit, because while it is personal, you do have to realize that other people are making decisions trying to do it just from a business standpoint, but you can still take it personally. So you have to be somewhat objective. I'm not talking, if somebody, client quits on you or something, don't disappear for 6 months crying about it. Like, acknowledge it, realize your mistakes, realize the part you played in, realize that there's things that you could have done better, fix those things and move on. So, don't have a pity party, but I guess I'm just saying it's okay to be personal in business. It is a huge factor, especially in today's world with social media. Be authentic, be real, be personal, make emotional business decisions. It's okay. But thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified every time we go live. We put 4 videos out every week, and then we also do 2 blog posts a week. You're not going to get notified on that on YouTube, but be sure to check out our website to see more about that. But yeah, 4 videos a week. Click the subscribe button. I'll catch you next week. Have a great day. Bye.